How to build a WhatsApp business bot with n8n. Welcome to AutomateNG. Today, we build a fully automated WhatsApp business bot using n8n. No coding required. By the end of this training, your business will respond to every WhatsApp message automatically, capture every lead, and run customer service around the clock. Let us begin. Let us start with a complete roadmap of what we will build and learn today. Here is your complete roadmap. By the end of this training, you will have a live WhatsApp bot that handles customer inquiries, captures leads into a spreadsheet, and sends instant, intelligent replies. We cover the setup, the build, 4 real workflow examples, and how to avoid the most common mistakes. Every step is shown in plain English. Let us go. Which of these 6 areas is most urgent for your business right now? We begin with the most important question. What exactly is a WhatsApp bot, and why does it matter? Section 1. Before we build anything, let us be crystal clear about what a WhatsApp bot is and why it matters so much for businesses worldwide. WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users globally. It is the primary messaging channel customers use to reach businesses in Asia, Africa, Latin America, Europe, and beyond. Automating it is the highest impact single change any business can make to their customer communication. Let us define exactly what a WhatsApp bot does and why it is so powerful. A WhatsApp bot does 4 things simultaneously. It reads every incoming message the moment it arrives. AI analyzes the message to understand what the customer wants. It sends an intelligent, contextually accurate reply in seconds. And it saves every conversation to your records automatically. Your business stays open and responsive while you sleep, eat, or focus on other work. This is not a luxury. For any business receiving more than 20 messages a day, it is essential. How many WhatsApp messages does your business receive daily? Multiply that by 365. That is the scale of work your bot will handle. Now let us look at the numbers that make the business case undeniable. Look at these numbers carefully. WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users across more than 180 countries. Studies show over 80% of customers prefer messaging over email or phone calls for business inquiries. The average business owner spends 2 to 3 hours per day manually responding to messages, and 68% of sales inquiries are never followed up because of message volume. A WhatsApp bot eliminates every one of these problems simultaneously. You reclaim hours daily, respond to every message instantly, and never miss a lead again. Think about the last time you lost a customer because you replied too late. How much did that cost you? Now that we understand why this matters, let us meet n8n, the engine we use to build it. n8n is the platform that connects everything together into your WhatsApp bot. It is free and open source, meaning no per-message fees that grow as your business grows. The visual workflow builder shows your entire bot logic as a diagram you can see, edit, and understand. It connects to over 400 apps, including WhatsApp, Google Sheets, OpenAI, and Stripe. Once running, it works automatically with no ongoing input from you. This is what AutomateNG specializes in teaching. Have you used Zapier or Make before? n8n is more powerful, free, and self-hostable. Same visual concept. Now we start the actual setup. First, let us connect WhatsApp to n8n using the Meta API. Section 2. Now we begin the actual setup. Before we build any workflow, we need to connect WhatsApp to n8n using the Meta WhatsApp Cloud API. This is the official, free, and reliable way to send and receive WhatsApp messages programmatically. Follow each step exactly, and you will be connected in under 30 minutes. Before we build, here is your complete pre-build checklist. Here is your complete pre-build checklist. You need a Meta business account, a dedicated WhatsApp business number, an n8n instance, a Google account for lead logging, and an AI API key for intelligent replies. Every single one of these is free to set up. The total software cost to build and run this bot is 0. The only optional cost is a paid server if you choose to self-host n8n for higher reliability, which typically costs $5 to $10 per month on providers like DigitalOcean, Render, or Railway. Do you already have a Meta business account? If yes, you are already 2 steps ahead. Let us walk through creating your Meta developer app step by step. Follow these 8 steps exactly in the Meta developer portal. The most important step is step 6, generating a permanent system user token. Many beginners use the temporary test token, which expires after 24 hours and breaks their bot. Always create a system user and generate a permanent token with WhatsApp business messaging permission. Save all 4 credentials: phone number ID, permanent token, app secret, and WABA ID in a secure text file before moving on. Which of these 3 n8n options matches your technical comfort level and budget right now? With Meta set up, we now need our n8n instance ready to receive messages.
3 options for hosting your n8n instance. n8n Cloud is the easiest. Sign up, get a working n8n in 60 seconds, no technical setup. Railway gives you a free tier with one-click deployment from their template library, and a VPS like Contabo or DigitalOcean gives you full control, always-on reliability, and no message limits for about $5 per month. For beginners, start with n8n Cloud. It lets you focus on building your bot rather than managing servers. Our infrastructure is ready. Now, let us build the actual bot workflow, node by node.
Section 3. This is the core of the training. We are going to build the WhatsApp bot workflow inside n8n step by step. Every node, every connection, every configuration explained in plain English. Follow each step, and by the end of this section, you will have a working bot that reads and replies to WhatsApp messages automatically. Here is the complete workflow at a glance before we build each piece. Here is the complete bot workflow at a glance. 7 nodes connected in sequence. A WhatsApp message arrives, the webhook fires instantly, n8n extracts the data, AI reads the intent, an if node routes the message to the right response template, the WhatsApp API sends the reply, and Google Sheets logs the lead. This entire cycle takes under 3 seconds from the moment the customer hits send to the moment they receive your reply. Let us now build each node step by step. Look at this 7-node flow. Can you see where your specific business use case fits in? We start with node 1, the webhook that receives WhatsApp messages.
The webhook node is your listening post. It sits inside n8n, waiting for Meta to send incoming message data. Configure it as a post webhook with the path WhatsApp incoming. Copy the full URL it generates. You will paste this into the Meta developer portal under WhatsApp configuration. Set a verify token of your choice, paste it in both Meta and your n8n webhook settings, and click verify. Once verified, every WhatsApp message your number receives will trigger this node automatically. Node 1 is receiving messages. Now, Node 2 extracts the key data from each message. When Meta sends a WhatsApp message to your webhook, it comes as a JSON object with a deeply nested structure. You need to extract 5 key pieces of data: the message text, the sender phone number, the sender name, the message ID, and the timestamp. Add a set node after your webhook and create these 5 variables using the expression shown. The message ID is particularly important because Meta sometimes sends duplicate webhook calls. You can use it to prevent processing the same message twice. What categories of customer questions does your business receive most? Those become your if node branches. Data is extracted. Now Node 3 adds intelligence, AI that understands what the customer wants. This is where your bot becomes intelligent rather than just a keyword matcher. Add an OpenAI or Claude AI node and configure it with the system prompt shown. This prompt tells the AI exactly who it is, what intents to recognize, and how to respond. The customer message text from your previous set node flows in as the user prompt. The AI reads it, identifies the intent, and generates a warm, relevant, personalized reply in seconds. GPT-4o Mini is the most cost-effective option at roughly 1 US cent per 1,000 messages. The if node is what makes your bot smart instead of one-size-fits-all.
Based on whether the AI detected a pricing question, an order, a complaint, or general information, the if node routes the conversation to a different branch with an appropriate template reply. Pricing questions get your actual pricing information. Orders trigger a structured data collection flow. Complaints escalate to a human. General questions use the AI-generated reply. This one node transforms your bot from a basic autoresponder into a genuine customer service system. Read the 5 intent categories. Which two are most common in your business WhatsApp today? Routing is set up. Now, Node 5 actually sends the WhatsApp reply back to the customer. The HTTP request node is what actually sends the WhatsApp reply. Configure it as a post request to the WhatsApp Cloud API endpoint with your phone number ID in the URL. Add your permanent token as a bearer token in the authorization header. The JSON body is simple. Specify WhatsApp as the messaging product, use the sender phone variable for the recipient, set the message type to text, and put your reply message in the body field. When this node fires, the customer receives your reply on their WhatsApp within 1 to 2 seconds. Replies are being sent. Finally, Node 6 captures every lead in Google Sheets automatically. Every WhatsApp message is a potential customer. Without logging, inquiries disappear into your chat history, never to be followed up. The Google Sheets node appends a new row for every conversation. Timestamp, customer name, phone number, the message they sent, the detected intent, the reply your bot sent, and a follow-up status column you update manually. In n8n, connect your Google account via OAuth, select your spreadsheet, set the operation to append row, and map each column to the variables you extracted earlier. Your lead database builds itself automatically. The core bot is complete. Now let us look at 4 real business workflow variations. Section 4. The core bot is built. Now let us look at 4 complete, real-world workflow variations that businesses across every industry can deploy immediately. Each one is a practical adaptation of the base bot we just built, configured for a specific business scenario. Whether you run an e-commerce store, a service business, a clinic, or a coaching brand, there is a blueprint here for you. Here are 4 complete workflow blueprints you can deploy immediately. 4 complete workflow blueprints you can build with the same n8n foundation. The order bot handles your entire e-commerce sales process automatically. The lead qualification bot scores and routes prospects, so your sales team only speaks to hot leads. The appointment booking bot fills your calendar without any back and forth. And the FAQ bot handles your most common questions around the clock while alerting humans to anything complex. Each one is a direct adaptation of the base workflow we built, different if node branches and different reply templates. Which of these 4 business examples is most similar to yours? Their result is your benchmark. Let us look at real businesses that have already deployed exactly this. 4 real businesses, 4 transformative results. An online fashion store automated their product inquiries and cut customer service costs by over $2,000 per month while increasing sales by 35%. A catering business booked 18 new corporate events in 30 days using a 24/7 order capture bot. A medical clinic reduced patient no-shows by 80% with automated appointment reminders. And an online course creator grew revenue by 60% in 45 days by qualifying and converting leads automatically around the clock. These results are not exceptional. They are what happens when any business eliminates the response delay from their customer communication. Now, let us cover the mistakes that cause most beginner builds to fail. Section 5. Even with this detailed guide, beginners make the same handful of avoidable mistakes when building their WhatsApp bot. This section covers every one of them and gives you the precise fix so you do not waste hours debugging problems that have simple solutions. 6 mistakes and the exact fix for every single one. 6 mistakes every beginner makes at least once. Using the temporary token is the most common. It expires in 24 hours and kills your bot. The webhook verification failure is the second most common. Both Meta and n8n need the same verify token. Forgetting to enable the messages webhook field in Meta means your webhook never fires. An n8n instance that sleeps misses messages entirely. The GET request handling is required for Meta webhook verification, and the infinite loop from the bot replying to its own messages will flood your workflow if you do not filter it out at the start. Which of the 6 mistakes were you most likely to have made without this training? After fixing potential errors, let us test the bot thoroughly before going live. Before you go live with any customer, run all 8 of these tests. Basic receipt confirms your webhook is working. AI reply quality ensures your system prompt is producing good responses. Intent routing confirms your IF node logic is correct. Google Sheets logging verifies every lead is captured. Response speed under 5 seconds is the threshold for good customer experience. Error handling prevents crashes on unusual input. The infinite loop test is critical. And multi-network testing ensures reliability for customers on different mobile networks and carriers worldwide. Testing complete. Now, let us talk about going live and scaling your bot over time. Section 6. Your bot is built and tested. Now let us talk about going live, monitoring performance, and scaling your automation as your business grows. A WhatsApp bot is not a set-and-forget system. It gets better over time when you actively monitor and improve it. Here is your 10-point go-live checklist before any customer interacts with your bot. Go through this 10-point checklist before you announce your bot to any customer. Every item represents a failure mode that can break your customer experience if missed. The most commonly skipped ones are enabling error notification emails from n8n, so you know instantly if something breaks, and defining your escalation path, meaning which phone number or Slack channel gets notified when a customer needs a human. Your WhatsApp business profile should also be complete with a profile photo, business category, description, and working hours before going public. How many messages does your business get after 6 p.m.? That is what your bot will now handle automatically. Your bot is live. Now let us talk about monitoring and continuous improvement. A WhatsApp bot is a living system, not a one-time build. Daily monitoring takes under 5 minutes. Check for any workflow errors in your n8n log and follow up on flagged leads in your Google Sheet. Weekly reviews are where the real improvement happens. Read 20 random conversations to see what your bot is getting right and wrong. Update your system prompt based on patterns you notice. Monthly analysis tells you exactly how much time and money your bot saved that month versus the same period without it. As your business grows, here are the 6 most valuable additions to your bot. Once your base bot is running, these 6 additions transform it from a simple autoresponder into a full business communication platform. Multi-language support opens your business to customers in any country: Spanish, French, Arabic, Portuguese, or any language your audience speaks. Broadcast messaging lets you send promotional campaigns to your entire customer list through n8n. Stripe or PayPal integration means customers can pay directly through WhatsApp without leaving the chat. CRM Sync keeps your sales pipeline up to date automatically. Voice note transcription handles customers who prefer sending audio messages. And multi-agent handoff ensures no customer ever gets stuck with the bot when they need a human. Let us bring everything together into a clear summary. 8 achievements from this training. You can set up the Meta API correctly. You can build the complete 6-node workflow. You can add AI intelligence to your bot. You can route different customer intents. You have 4 complete business workflow blueprints. You know the 6 critical mistakes to avoid. You have an 8-point testing protocol. And you have a clear scaling roadmap. Everything you need to build, launch, and grow a professional WhatsApp business bot is now in your hands. You have the complete blueprint. What is stopping you from starting this build today? Thank you for completing this AutomateNG training on WhatsApp bot automation. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore our AI automation courses, n8n workflow training, WhatsApp bot systems, and done-for-you automation services. Tell us about your business through the free inquiry form, and we will recommend the right automation setup for your needs. You can also message us directly through the WhatsApp chat button on the website. Want the ready-to-use n8n workflow templates and WhatsApp bot JSON files used in this training? Comment BOT below and we will send them to you. Subscribe or follow for more AI tutorials, chatbot systems, automation guides, and practical digital business skills. Thank you for watching. and keep automating.